We're going to turn now to that important decision by the U.S. Supreme Court today. The justices blocked President Trump's attempt to end Daca. The program, which is short for the Deferred Action of Childhood Arrivals, is aimed at protecting undocumented people who were brought to this country as children from deportation and letting them work. In the end, the court's decision was not based on the merit of the program or even President Trump's right to end it, but instead on how he went about trying to dissolve it. It is a major blow to one of the president's central campaign promises. ABC's Zoreen Shah is live in Los Angeles with all of the details. Zoreen.
Hi, Liz. Yeah, this decision certainly impacts a lot of people. Over 600,000 people. The president already vowing to fight it.
Supreme Court this morning in a major decision blocking President Trump's efforts in 2017 from ending the Deferred Action for Childhood Arrivals program known as Daca.
I'm elated.
This means over 600,000 immigrants brought to America as kids, then provided legal status by the Obama administration, are now protected from deportation and allowed to work in the U.S. legally. So-called dreamers like this 23-year-old recipient who came from Colombia as a teenager.
I've had Daca since I was 15, 16 years old. It's allowed me to go to college. It's allowed me to get a full-time job. That could have all been stripped away had the court decided differently today.
Chief Justice John Roberts wrote the majority 5-4 ruling, saying while the president does have the right to end the program, the Trump administration violated federal law when rescinding the program almost 3 years ago in the manner he did. The court says they didn't consider the impact on recipients and called the president's decision arbitrary and capricious. Despite today's major ruling, there still could be challenges ahead for Daca, saying, "As President of the United States, I am asking for a legal solution on Daca, not a political one, consistent with the rule of law. The Supreme Court is not willing to give us one, so now we have to start this process all over again." Still, his Democratic challenger for president, Joe Biden, calling the court's decision a victory, saying, "As president, I will immediately work to make it permanent by sending a bill to Congress on day one of my administration." Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer saying today he won't stand for the president trying to end the program again.
These kids, their families, I feel for them, and I think all of America does. Now, on some other issues. But again, the Supreme Court, who would have thought, would have so many good decisions in 1 week.
Now, there is a lot of national support behind Daca. According to the latest ABC News Washington Post survey on this subject taken a few years ago, 87% of Americans support Daca, 70%